The first step in considering the impact of hydraulic fracturing on water resources is to consider the water acquisition. How much water will be needed? Well, the EPA published a report with reporting wells and the volume of water they used, and as you can see, it varies greatly. The median values per state vary from California with its 80,000 gallons of water per well, that's the smallest state average, to New Mexico, Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado, which are between 200 and 500,000 gallons per well, to a number of states which average between 1 and 3 million gallons per well, Texas at 1.4 million gallons, Kansas, Montana, North Dakota, and Oklahoma. And then finally, the states which have utilized the most water per well, including Ohio at 3.9 million gallons, Pennsylvania at 4.2 million, West Virginia at 5, Louisiana at 5.1, and Arkansas at 5.3 million gallons of water per well. This is the median value. A given well may vary. For example, the least water used was 30,000 gallons. The most water used was over 7 million gallons. And so the actual volume used at a well may vary from this median. What impact would this have on a community? Well, that would depend on, one, the number of wells in that community. If it is a small number of wells, this impact might be minimal. And secondly, the abundance of water. So while in the majority of cases, less than 1% of an area's water was used for hydraulic fracturing, this number could be much greater if there was a larger number of wells and if water was less available. Where does this water originate? That depends on the area. Surface water, water of rivers and lakes is possible. Groundwater may be used, and varying percentages of recycled water from hydraulic fracturing can be used. The ratios of each of these sources would vary from well to well.